It's Larry Wolf again, National Training Manager for Regency Fireplace products. We're going to continue on installing this system. We're now going to put on the nailing strips that come with the unit. They're a 4-piece nailing strip for this particular unit. You're going to have 2 legs, a left leg and a right leg. This is one of the legs. This one here is your right leg. You're going to notice that there's a flat here. That's going to always go up. This is going to attach with our 4th piece, which we'll show you in a minute. That's going to be your standoff for your header. So you'll have a right leg, a left leg, the top nailing strip, which is going to go right across the top of our unit here, and then your header standoff. That's your header standoff there. Again, we'll put that on shortly for you. And then your top nailing strip. The nailing strips themselves, there's a couple parts to them that are integrated in now. You're going to notice the little laser cut lines. That'll take you anywhere from 1/2-inch finishing material all the way out to 1.25 inches. And even for your flush, where you're going to go completely over your clean face look or your traditional look. So you can set the fireplace backwards or forwards depending on what you need with your nailing strip. Also, on your nailing strips, right and left-hand side, you're going to see 2 sets of tabs, small tabs and the large tabs. The smaller tabs, depending how you're finishing the fireplace, if you're doing a flush front, where you've got your finishing material coming all the way over, these tabs will stay just like that. You won't have to bend them out. If you're doing the 4-sided faceplate or the finish trim, these tabs bend out. They not only stop your finishing material from coming in too far, but they also allow your face to hang. You've got your larger tabs here. Depending on how you're finishing the unit, this will be a stop for your framing materials. Refer to the owner's manual for your framing dimensions, whether you're going to use these or not. Continuing on with the install of our nailing strips, again, you've got your notches. We're going to set this one for flush finish. There'll be 2 Phillips head screws on the body here. We're going to locate those, and then you're going to remove them. I've already removed them here, and we are going to screw the nailing strip on. Don't forget the top here is going to be part of our standoff for our non-combustible or combustible materials, depending on your install. Second screw down here. Again, I've got it pushed all the way out for a flush finish. On the top nailing strip, we're not going to use these at all. Currently, they're just lasered in there, but we're not going to do anything with these at all. And then you'll notice the laser cut slots for your different finishing depths. We're just going to put this on the top. Again, I removed 2 Phillips head screws, put the nailing strip on. I'm going to put the Phillips head screws right back in. Working with flush finish, so we're going to put it all the way to the front. On to the other side. Same thing, we're just repeating the step we did. And then I'm going to pull the fireplace out a little bit and do my right side here. All the way to the front. You can see that adjustability. Our material is going to stop right here, so we're going to end up covering all of the metal around it with our finished material. Just repeat on this side here. One thing I didn't mention to you, there's going to be a screw from the factory already installed, and I'll show you that when we put the top piece on. It's just to support it to make it easier to screw in. Don't forget, up top, the flat goes up top. all the way forward. There's our 3 pieces, and then finally our 4th piece. On the 4th piece, you'll notice a slot cut into it, and then the hole. That slot cut in allows you to just support this piece underneath as you install it. Drop it right down on the screw, and from the outside, you can run your new screw in, or your final screw on the left and the right. That's it for your nailing strips. Thanks for watching.